There is very simple thing what you can do in order to mitigate or avoid certain problems from which come with metabolic syndrome, like diabetes or obesity, or even those tipped nose and have closed eyes. Some people often have during the daytime, afternoon. And so first I will tell very briefly what to do, and after that I will explain why and how it works. So after you have a meal, you take 5 minutes walk, just actively walking for 5 minutes. After that, 30 minutes, do anything else you need to do. And after 30 minutes, you again take 5 minutes walk. After that, you again take 30 minutes, do whatever you need to do, and then again take 5 minutes walks. And that's it. So pretty much after every meal, you have 3 blocks of 5 minutes walk across hour and a half of time, with roughly 30 minutes between them. And that is very simple thing, but it was found that it has a tremendous effect on what is happening in our body right after meal. Now, why it works? After you have eaten, your sugar level in blood spikes. It spikes, and it brings also a spike of level of insulin in your blood. And insulin helps your body to absorb that sugar, but it gets absorbed, if you're sitting, it gets absorbed into fat cells. Your body was not designed to eat and sit. Your body was designed to eat and go and do something, be active right after food. So that spike of insulin, if you do not burn those calories right away after food, it goes too high. And if it repeats often in your life, you develop so-called insulin resistance. And that's very nasty thing. That's also one of the factors of risk of cancer. Insulin resistance should be avoided at all times in your life. So because it makes your body fatter, your health savings account leaner, etc. So if you walk, you engage your largest muscles in your body, which are mostly in your lower part of your body and your legs, and those muscles start absorbing, when they work, they start absorbing glucose from blood. Because they absorb glucose from blood, the glucose level gets stabilized. And that's why I instructed you to have 5 minutes, then half hour again, later again 5 minutes, and half hour later again 5 minutes. You distribute that load because the digestion process also is distributed over the time, and it takes roughly a couple hours to digest and to absorb most of the nutrients, calorie-rich nutrients of your food. So if you distributed that load of muscles, it stabilizes the sugar level of blood. By stabilizing the sugar level of blood, you avoid the spike of insulin. You also avoid the glucose crash, which is triggered by the extra high level of insulin. And that glucose crash makes you sleepy during daytime. You probably experienced that thing. So, and also it lets you to avoid the growth of fat tissue, including visceral fat, which is also the very nasty type of fat tissue which may develop in our bodies. Even if you don't have enough time to take walks somewhere outside, if you need to work, like myself, I eat, but I need to work, okay. Have a stand-up desk, stand at it, and make some calf raises. That at least that will also engage your large muscles. Your calves are large muscles, and that will also burn some amount of sugar in your body.